Guthondekwo gwa ceceni cia ukinyaniria wa ICT gutanyitwo kwambiriria mwaka turorete wa 2024 itemi-ini ria guthondeka mawira kuri mbeu njithi na oho kuhuthia mirutire ya wira kuri muingi. Kuringana na Minista wa ICT Eliud Owalo, ceceni makiria ma 1450 nicio iguthondekwo wadi-ini ciothe guothe bururi-ini, undu uria augite no guteithiriria gukura kwa wonjoria wa bururi.
With all government services available on the CECENI platform, and then we are also out there training youth and creating jobs right at the village level, digital jobs.
We've been able to establish and roll out ICT standards, support governments in deployment of systems, and this has really helped to streamline and bring quality and sanity in terms of deployment of government systems.
Mbeu njithi hamwe na anyiti itemi matiganite moritio kunyitanira na thirikari niguo gutigirira mubango uyu ni wakinyanira. Minista agitariria muoroto wa thirikari ni kwarahura ukinyaniria wa uhuthiri wa mitambo ya kiriu.
93%. That means anywhere in this country is already ready for it to be a data hub for the continent, a data hub for the global data processing, and we are being told now data is the new oil.
Let us work together so that we position Kenya effectively as the ICT hub of Africa and even globally by way of comparative advantage.
Eranire gukura kwa mubango uyu guguteithiriria wandikani wa mawira kuri mbeu njithi matanyihiire 1,500 o hari gicigo kia ubunge.
Learning softwares in the country in addition to advancing digital skills, not only for the students, most importantly for the teachers.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.